Hi, I'm Vincent Lau from Inspire Idea Group. This kitchen was designed with simplicity and function in mind. The owner requested plenty of storage, so we built full-height cabinets with clean, seamless lines. Every appliance has a dedicated spot, from the fridge to the built-in oven, so everything looks neat and well integrated. On the other side, we kept only lower cabinets, perfect for storing small appliances, dry goods, and kitchen tools, without making the space feel cramped. Light wood tones and the black trims give a clean, modern look, and the marble textured backsplash adds just a touch of elegance. A space that's easy to use, easy to clean, and feels effortless, organized. Like what you see? Follow us more real-time design ideas.
Inspire ID Group, live better with Inspire.